My hair, she thinks, just do it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it.
Oh my god, I didn't even introduce you guys. Hold on. Sorry, hold on. These are my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bestest friends. This is Ariana. Say what up. This is Crystal. Yes, two baddies in the bed. Guys, we arrived BeautyCon. We made it, bitches. Oh shit. Alrighty. Yes, it's lit.
Now what?
It's yeah. Now what? We got in. What are we gonna do?
Crazy.
Okay, so wherever you guys want to go, like, you guys want to go this way or that way? Let's start with this way. How do you guys feel? Ariana's like, I'm fucking over this.
You guys are ready? Touch the screen over there.
Oh,
The heart back here.
over here on the Hardy.
So you touch this and then go on the heart.
Make sure you're all super close together.
Okay. Okay, Papa. Most fun you're gonna have.
You say you want to touch it.
Hey, this is your Wave Foundation and concealer. I didn't even know this side existed. Yo, Shea Moisture has such a beautiful display. Hey! Rick rolls. I'm like so short for this. You guys could kind of see me. If you guys see a mess, I'm so sorry. Okay, so pretty much the last time I vlogged, I think was last weekend. I have some things that I wanted to show you guys from Ulta and Sephora. And also today, I'm actually going indoor skydiving. So I wanted to take you guys with me. And I wanted to show you guys some products that I bought from Ulta and Sephora. So let's get it started. Alright, so I went to Sephora because one of my best friends, she got me a Sephora gift card, so I really wanted to go. Let's start off with this product. So I actually got this sleeping mask. I know you guys have seen this plenty of times from other people, but yeah, this right here is bomb, and I actually want to put some on. I'm not sure how to pronounce the brand. Laneige, I don't know, but it's very fancy, and this sleeping mask is bomb. Like, I'm really into skincare right now, so I wanted to pick up some skincare products, and I also wanted to kind of spoil myself because my birthday just, you know, passed, and I really wanted to buy some products. So I went in and I pretty much stayed within that same brand of the lip balm, and I got their hydrating gel. It's still in the packaging. I tried it actually. I just wanted to show you guys the packaging, you know, before I took it out of the packaging and putting it into my drawers. I tried it already. It feels amazing. This is for normal to combination skin. I have combination skin, so this is great. It's hydrating because I am a little dry in certain areas. I feel like I've been getting dry lately in this area right here. So this is this has been helping it. The only thing I would say is just the scent. I feel like it's a little too strong. Well, I mean, it's not strong. I'm a little sensitive to scents, so maybe if you guys were to smell this, you guys would probably be like, oh, I can do this. But the scent like only lasts for like a couple of minutes and then it goes away. So I'm not really like I don't mind it, so that's why I'm keeping it, obviously, because it's actually really it feels really good on my skin, and it's been making me look super glowy, which I'm trying to get into this summer. And then I also bought their eye gel. So I've been on a hunt to look for a really good eye cream. So I'm glad they had one, and I want to show you guys the packaging. It is, yeah, so it's pretty much it's water-based eye gel. So it's like really like hydrating under the eyes, and the packaging just looks so luxurious. And this was probably the cheapest brand out of all the brands that were there, like Tarte. Oh my god, I literally almost bought the one of their moisturizers, but I was like $68 when I could get both of these two products, like this one and this one, for about $60. So I believe they were like $32 each. Also, I just picked up my birthday gift. I think this is such a cute birthday gift. It's skincare products. It's a cleanser and a moisturizer. Then I went to Ulta because I had money in rewards, and I had about $125 worth of points at Ulta. So I really wanted to spoil myself because, again, it was my birthday. So the first thing that I got was I actually finally got my hands on the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm actually excited to try this because I heard it's literally equivalent to the Tarte primer. I did curl my hair today. I've been trying the Diva curl products. Oh my god, I'm standing right in front of my window and someone's walking by. So I bought the Diva curl Wavy transformation kit. It brings the shampoo, conditioner, a wave cream, and a light defining gel. So I pretty much used all of these. I pretty much used all of those products that came in that box today, and I do definitely see a difference since the summer is coming, and I do like to wear my hair naturally in the summer because honestly, like, who wants to straighten their hair when it's so hot out? So I also got the Diva Curl Heaven in Hair Divine Deep Conditioner, which I haven't tried yet. So pretty much you would sub this with your conditioner, with the conditioner that comes in here. And I wouldn't do this like every day. This is probably like once a week, maybe twice a week. And I also picked up a beauty blender, which was really necessary because mine was pretty much breaking already. And then I also bought their bar of soap because I love washing my beauty blender with that. Then I restocked on my favorite items, which are the MAC Studio Fix foundation, Tarte concealer, and guys, I finally bought my Urban Decay bronzer, which I'm literally obsessed with. I'm not really into the Hoola bronzer like that anymore because I feel like it makes my skin like blotchy. I also picked up a body scrub, which is from Tree Hut, and the scent is Belize Breeze. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It smells amazing. Lastly, I did pick up some MAC lip products. I got a lip gloss in the shade Love Nectar. I'm not sure if these are the new lip glosses, but they were displayed, and this one was probably my favorite one. They smell amazing. They always smell really good. But it's like a nude lip gloss, and it has a little bit of shimmer, which I will probably apply this with lip liner and then this on top. Got a lipstick, which is definitely one of their new shades, I believe. This is the MAC Satin Lipstick in Cherish. So yeah, it's like a really pretty nude. It'll look really nice with lip liner, and this would be such a cute combo, so that's why I got these two together. I'm going to pretty much take you guys along with me later on when you know, we go indoor skydiving, which will probably be really fun. I'm actually a little nervous. Pretty much when I get new stuff, I like to put it in this drawer. So literally, if I get anything sent to me new, I'd like to put it in here. Or if I buy stuff, I like to put it in this drawer because I like my new stuff separate just because I don't like to like open things right away. Guys, we made it to indoor skydiving. There it is. It's right over there. Are you excited? Yes. Because I am too. Like, I'm a little shook, not gonna lie though. Ew, it smells like feet.
If everybody wants, this whole group is yours, right? Everybody's together, so I can leave, Mom. Everybody else can go in there, go chill out, and I can follow you with a photo, okay?
Here you go.